Welcome to 2038, the future is here. Welcome to Channel Name, your gateway to tomorrow's world today. I'm your host, Anshuman Kumar. In this episode, we're stepping into the year 2038. But 2038, that's not just about looking back, it's about looking at a future sculpted by cutting-edge technologies that are reshaping life as we know it. We're talking about a world where the seemingly impossible is just another Tuesday. From the depths of our oceans to the vastness of space, 2038 is a testament to human ingenuity. Well, stop imagining because that's 2038. Buckle up because in the next few minutes we're diving headfirst into a world of mind-blowing advancements. Let's explore it together. Remember when we used to scroll through endless menus on our phones? Clunky, right? 2038 laughs in the face of clunky. We're talking about a world where neural interfaces are as commonplace as smartphones are today. Need to make a call, write an email, control your smart home? Just think it. These interfaces aren't just about convenience, they're about unlocking the full potential of the human mind. Imagine enhancing your memory, downloading skills like Neo in the Matrix, or experiencing virtual reality with all your senses engaged. It sounds like science fiction, but in 2038, it's science fact. This technology is changing the game for people with disabilities too. That's the power of neural interfaces. We've explored the surface of Mars more than we have our own oceans. But in 2038, we're finally turning our attention to the incredible untapped potential beneath the waves. Imagine underwater cities, self-sustaining and teeming with life, powered by the ocean's currents and resources. 2038's aquaculture is a symphony of sustainability, providing food security for a growing population without harming our oceans. We're talking about farming practices that are not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. We're talking rare earth minerals, the building blocks of our technological future, just waiting to be harvested responsibly. 2038's smart ocean technology is allowing us to do just that, minimizing environmental impact while maximizing our understanding and utilization of this incredible resource. Remember traffic jams, airport security lines? In 2038, those are relics of a bygone era, my friends. We're talking about a world where Hyperloop Networks crisscross the globe, making supersonic travel not just a reality, but an everyday occurrence. Imagine hopping on a Hyperloop pod in New York and arriving in London for lunch. Hyperloop technology is incredibly energy efficient, powered by renewable energy sources. Say goodbye to carbon-guzzling airplanes and hello to a greener way to travel. These Hyperloop networks are connecting cities and countries like never before, creating jobs, boosting economies, and fostering global collaboration. It's about shrinking the world, one supersonic journey at a time. 2038 is not just about pushing the boundaries of technology, it's about pushing the boundaries of ourselves. We're entering an era of bio-augmentation where human potential is being redefined. Imagine a world where implants can enhance your vision beyond natural limits. As we blur the lines between human and machine, we have to ask ourselves, what does it mean to be human? We've all seen enough courtroom dramas to know that the justice system isn't perfect. But in 2038, we're using the power of artificial intelligence to create a fairer, more equitable system for everyone. Imagine a world where AI judges can process information and precedents with lightning speed, eliminating human bias and ensuring consistent rulings. It's about leveling the playing field, ensuring that everyone, regardless of background or income, has access to quality legal representation. For decades, cities have been seen as the villains of the climate change story. But 2038 is rewriting the narrative. We're talking about cities that don't just minimize their environmental impact, they actively reverse it. Imagine buildings that act like giant trees, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and converting it into clean energy. We're talking about transportation systems that are not only efficient, but also carbon negative, cleaning the air as they move people and goods. Imagine cities designed with green spaces that act as carbon sinks, reducing the urban heat island effect and improving air quality. 2038 is proof that we have the tools and the know-how to combat climate change. In 2038, we're not just visiting space, we're setting up shop. We're talking about a permanent human presence beyond Earth, not just on Mars, but in orbiting habitats around distant planets. Building homes in space is no easy feat. But the challenges of living in extreme environments are pushing the boundaries of science and technology like never before. Imagine space habitats with artificial gravity, vast green spaces and breathtaking views of the cosmos. This is the future that 2038 is building, a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. The year 2038 is a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit. It's a future where the lines between technology and humanity blur, where the impossible becomes possible. From the depths of our oceans to the farthest reaches of space, we're exploring, innovating, and pushing the boundaries of what it means to be human. The technologies we've explored today are just a glimpse of what's possible. The real question is, what will you create? Which of these technologies inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to join us on more journeys into the future. Thank you for watching, and see you in 2039.